Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use while loop in C++. So make sure that you have opened your IDE. In my case, I have Visual Studio open and I have opened demo.cpp as my C++ file. Okay. Now here what I'm going to do is create one while loop that counts from, let's say, number 10 up to number 20. Okay, so it will count from 10 to 19, and when it checks for 20, the number is equal to 20, it will come out of loop. So let's take a look at that. First thing, we will include IO stream. Okay, after this class we will simply call for using namespace standard. Okay, after that let's create integer main method inside which we are going to create our while loop. Now here first thing is to declare one variable. Let's create one integer variable and set its value to 10. Now we have to create one for loop for which we make use of keyword while. Now inside this we have to set the condition that the variable which contains value of 10 should be less than 20, and you have to run that loop. So a less than 20, and inside this curly bracket we are going to write our code. So first thing is cout, and here we are going to write value of variable a, and then we are going to point to our variable a and then end line. So after each value the end line will make new value of variable statement to go on new line. After that we will increment our a variable. So let's say it has value of 10, it will output that variable value, then it increment to 11, and then loop goes on up to its value going for 20. Okay, and outside this while loop we will just use system and then call for pause and then return 0 if you want. Okay, so this is pretty much the program that is going to calculate from value of 10 up to 20. Now once you do that, let's go ahead and compile this. So you can use this local Windows debugger on Visual Studio, or you can go for Control F9 in most of the IDs out there. So let's go with that. It will ask me to build my project, so I'm going to say yes. Then it will show me the console window. If everything goes correct, it should not throw any errors on my output here. Now it will open console window that shows the value from 10 to 19. So here's how it works. First, its value is 10. It will get inside our while loop. It will print that statement and goes to new line. And here, value of a gets to 11. Then it prints again, goes to new line. Then it goes to increment to 12 and so on up to 19. Now, if you want to calculate 10 to 20, then you have to simply replace this 20 to 21 so that the loop will escape from exact number of 20. Okay, so this was a short introduction on how to use while loop in C++.